Hi, I'm Sam, and thanks so much for clicking on this video. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be chatting all about the VEHLA. I'm not really sure how to pronounce the name, unfortunately. I just say VEHLA, but I could be completely wrong. Dixie sunglasses, which I just ordered. I've only had them for a couple of days, but I feel like I have a pretty good first impression of them, and I have definitely been wearing them lots. So without further ado, let's get into it. I did want to address the price of these sunglasses and if they are worth the cost. So they are about $200 Canadian. VEHLA is an Australian company, so I thought that this might take a really long time, and I was also quite concerned about what the cost was going to be for shipping and duties. The shipping time on these sunglasses was super quick. I ordered these glasses on June 16th and I ended up getting them a week later on June 23rd, which to me was like very surprising for them to go across the whole world and then come directly to my doorstep. I ended up paying about $41 in taxes and duties on these sunglasses. So in total, they were about $240 or $250 Canadian, which is quite excessive for a pair of sunglasses. One thing that I did do prior to making this purchase was use the VEHLA filter. They actually served this to me as an ad. Obviously, their retargeting campaigns are great. So I'll show you what that looks like and compare it side by side to what the glasses actually look like on. I use this to try and give myself a good idea of if I was gonna love these glasses or not, because of course, when you're returning anything from different countries, it can get quite complicated. When it comes to these frames, you have a couple of different color options. 3 of the options have a tortoise frame, and then 1 is just a black frame. These were the first ones that I saw and that I originally fell in love with, and they're what I've wanted like all of last year. I think that tortoise in general in sunglasses is a great option because it does go with so many different things. Like I can wear them with this bright kind of pastel outfit, but you could also pair them with pretty much anything. I mean, you can wear them with dark colors, you can wear them with light colors, bright colors. I just feel like they are the most versatile. The one thing that I was quite surprised about when I got these glasses, I knew they were going to be light, but they actually are not very protective against the sun. And I, was expecting that. I know that they are more of like a fashion item. They're not polarized or anything. But when you go outside and it is like blindingly sunny, these definitely don't do as much as some of my other darker glasses. So if that's something that's really important to you, I might just go ahead and skip these. Was it worth it? I'd say yes. Catch me in these sunglasses all summer long. I'm definitely going to be getting a lot of good wear out of them. And I think that if I ever do decide to retire them at some point, there is going to be a good resale market for these. One of the things that I always check when I go to make an expensive purchase is what they are reselling for. With these, there is definitely a demand for them. That being said, obviously, like I say in all of my videos, if I'm reviewing more expensive products, you definitely don't need to go out and purchase these. There are lots of other affordable options that you could get. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it has been helpful if you are interested in ordering these sunglasses yourself. And please, if you have any other questions, if there's something that I didn't answer here in this video, leave me a comment down below. And as always, if you've made it this far, please, I hope you'll consider subscribing to this channel. I am starting to get closer and closer and closer to my goal, which is to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the summer. So if you like seeing videos like this and you would like to continue to join me as I make more content, please click that subscribe button, and I guess I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye!